What's up YouTube? Brian Van Dyne here. I wanted to show you guys some tools that I recently purchased for this Pac RMX 13 engine right here that we got. I told you I bought some specific tools for this build. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this micrometer. I think that's what it's called. It's called a micrometer, I think. That's what the dial gauge looks like, right? And then there's this flat stock right here that's been machined flat. So the way this works is this sits in here. And then there's a little tightener screw that you can tighten it so it doesn't move. And then this sits on top of a plate that's bolted to the block, and then this right here is the dial indicator. Shows you, basically the measurements for the liners, the liner protrusion is what it's called. You can also recalibrate it by this right here. You can untighten this and then you can adjust the ring to wherever you need. If you need to, measure the distance in between two things. So there's that tool, pretty neat. And then another tool that I picked up is this right here. This is the liner puller. I got this off of Amazon. It's got these springs that hold these out, which make it pretty easy, you just squeeze it, drop it in, and then you just start basically threading this bolt. And what it does is it pushes down these feet push down on the block. Meanwhile, these grab the liner and pull it straight up. And it's got different feet for the liners depending on what one you're working with. These teeth are a little less aggressive. I also bought this off of Amazon. So you can see the teeth on this are not that aggressive. And then you can see the teeth that are on this, they're already installed, they're quite aggressive. So, obviously you're gonna have to determine which one you need for your application. And then I think I already showed you guys this, but I did buy a used snap-on torque wrench. Digital 1/2 inch. This comes, gotta put batteries in here. I always take a battery out just so I'm not dealing with that. Battery's going dead. You can see, I don't know if the screen is going to let you see because it's trying to focus on me, but let's see. Yeah, it's not going to let me do that. But anyways, here's the torque wrench. Pretty neat. It's slightly used. I mean, it doesn't even look like it's been used, honestly. It looks brand spanking new. The guy I bought it from up in Bellevue, he probably didn't use it very often. But you can hear, it's set to 20 foot-pounds. You can see the lights lighting up. It vibrates, and it also tells you what it was torqued to, 20.4 foot-pounds. I don't know if I'm going to have this thing checked for accuracy or not. I don't know. I mean, it seems accurate already, so I'll probably check it against my other torque wrench, the manual one that I have, which I didn't realize I had a 1/2-inch torque wrench already. It's an old one my grandpa gave me a while back. I thought it was 3/8 drive, but it's not. It's 1/2-inch. And it's this style, the dial. So these ones don't really ever go out of spec from what I can understand. As long as this needle is right on 0, you know, at freestanding, then that's pretty much right on target. So pretty neat. I'll probably test the snap-on against this one and see if they, you know, are in the ballpark of each other. If they are, then yeah, it is what it is. The thing about this though is this only goes up to 100 foot-pounds, which rebuilding a heavy-duty inline-6 diesel motor, you need something that goes up quite a bit higher. And this snap-on goes up to 300 foot-pounds, so quite a bit higher. Let me show you guys something real quick. Oh, why'd I do that? I thought that was gonna switch.